Welcome to Creative World. In this video, we will solve Chapter 3 exercise problem number 3.48. While solving this problem, we will be using Kirchoff's current law. According to this law, a cumulative current on a node inside an electrical network is always equal to 0. Sum of all entering currents on a node is always equal to sum of all leaving currents from that node. We also will be using Ohm's law. According to this law, voltage across any resistance R is the product of current through it and the value of resistance itself. Now move towards the problem. Exercise problem number 3.48. Use nodal analysis to determine the value of voltage V0 in given below figure. This is the circuit diagram of given problem. Inside this network, we have to find the value of voltage across this 1 kilo ohm resistance with the specific polarity labeled as V0. And we have to apply nodal analysis on this network. So without wasting time, let's proceed towards the solution of the network. We know that in order to apply nodal analysis on any network, we have to follow some steps. First step includes finding out the maximum number of node voltage equations that can be retrieved from that network. So using this equation, we can find out that figure. In this equation, n represents number of nodes exist in the network. In our case, there are 5 number of nodes. 5 minus 1 will be equal to 4. So maximum 4 number of node voltage equations can be retrieved from this network. In next step, we have to label all unknown non-reference node voltage. We are considering this node as reference or ground node. Other non-reference node voltage are labeled as V0, V1, V2 and minus 12 volt. Here V0 is appearing across this 1 kilo ohm resistance, so we can refer this node voltage as V0. Whatever the value of this node voltage will be, same voltage will be appearing across this 1 kilo ohm resistance with respect of this reference or ground node. Same case is here. A voltage source is connected between this non-reference node and ground node. But the negative terminal of voltage source is connected to this non-reference node and positive terminal is grounded. So rather than positive, negative voltage of this voltage source will be appearing on this node with respect of this reference or ground node. So the value of voltage source is 12 volt. So 12 volt with minus sign will be appearing on this node. In next step, we have to assume all unknown branch currents along with their directions in the network. Now we will apply one by one Kirchoff's current law on these non-reference nodes to find out their node voltage equations. We will start from this node. On this node, two currents are entering, 2 milliampere and Ix, while only one current is leaving, that is I0. So KCL equation for this particular node will be entering currents are taken with positive sign while leaving current is taken with negative sign. In next step, we have to replace these two currents with their respective equations. Current Ix will be equal to the potential difference of these two node voltage divided by the value of resistance. Here the direction of current Ix is from this node to this node. It means this node potential is higher than this node potential. So their difference will be taken as minus 12 volt minus V0 divided by 1 kilo ohm. I0 will be equal to V0 divided by 1 kilo ohm. Now in order to omit all denominator values, we will multiply this equation on both sides with 1 kilo ohm. 1 kilo ohm in denominators will cancel out with the product of 1 kilo ohm. Only nominator values will left. Here product of 1 kilo ohm and 2 milliampere will result 2 volt. At 2 volt with minus 12 volt, it will become minus 10 volt because larger value have minus sign along with it. Sum of minus V0 and minus V0 will become minus 2V0. Place this constant value on the other hand side of equal, it will become plus 10 volt. Now in order to calculate the value of V0, we will divide this equation on both sides with minus 2. So the value of V0 will become minus 5 volt. So minus 5 volt will be appearing across this 1 kilo ohm resistance in this network. This minus sign is indicating that the polarity of this voltage V0 is given wrong. The actual polarity is opposite to the given polarity. As it was asked in the scenario, we have to calculate the value of V0 that we already have calculated. So there is no further need to solve rest of the scenario. So it was all about chapter 3 exercise problem number 3.48. Thank you. See you again in next video.